Hello everyone, welcome back to again my YouTube channel. So the front of you again I have called one new student on this stage for asking some question that related from English. I think whatever question I shall ask with this boy, he will answer to me very perfectly. It first to tell to me what's your real name.
My name is Manish Kumar.
In which class do you study this time?
I read in class 10.
Okay, have you good knowledge in English?
Yeah, I have good knowledge.
Okay, then if I will ask of you any story for reciting, can you tell of any story?
Yeah, I can tell.
Okay, which story do you want to tell?
I want to tell the black aeroplane.
Black aeroplane. This is the story from our syllabus books.
Yeah.
Okay, let you start to tell of all the students who are sitting beyond of you. They all are very excited to listen of our explanation of that whole sentences from that story, which you are wanting to tell the front of the all students. Start.
I am telling about of the story the black aeroplane. In this story there was a pilot. He had job in Paris and he got leave. After he thought I should go England for visit my parents and with my family, and he thought go in evening time. So he was a pilot and he had a aeroplane. He was that was means all plan. He thought to go evening time. So in evening time he fled from the Dakota aeroplane. After all the villagers were sleeping, moon was shining and a star was twinkling. When he looked down, then he looked all the villagers was sleeping pleasantly and the pilot was flying in the sky pleasantly. After he thought, my all the materials are okay or not, so he thought to know. After he called the Paris Control Center and he asked to that control center, hello Paris Control Center, can you hear me? Then through the radio answer came, yeah, I can hear you. Then he told, you tell me any short way for reach soon England. Then from the radio answer came, you turn off for aeroplane nose 12-degree in west way. After pilot thanked of that control center and he turned his aeroplane nose in 12-degree west side. After he was going to fly and fly. After suddenly in the front of plane came a huge mountain cloud that was absolutely black and huge. After pilot thought I should go back, but he was distant from 150 kilometers from France, and in the plane of that pilot there was little fuel, so he thought to enter in that cloud. After he entered in that black stormy cloud and he was going to cleave and cleave. His all the materials were destroyed in that cloud. Also his light was fused and also fuel was little, so he was very depression. Means he was thinking today I shall die and he was going to cleave and cleave, but that was not ending. After pilot thought today no any can save me, but suddenly he looked. A black aeroplane was the beside of that aeroplane and that pilot was flying. Means happily he in the plane of that there was no light, but he was flying
With confidence.
with confidence. Then he he saw his hand out of window aeroplane and he told, follow me. Then pilot started to follow of that black aeroplane's pilot and suddenly he came out from the stormy black cloud and he looked from the airport there was coming ray. After he landed off his aeroplane in the airport and he went in the Paris control room and he thought who was that person
who was helping to me
who
in
was
the stormy
helping
cloud.
to he who was helping me in a stormy cloud. I should say thank. After he went in the control room and there was a lady. He asked who was helping me in the stormy cloud, but that lady only she laughed and she didn't reply anything. And
This story is over there.
yeah, this story is over there.
Okay, very nice. You have told about the story with very perfection. You have not mistaken it anywhere to speaking of any sentences. But I think of that continuously. If you will practicing in your daily life, your English will become to very nice, and that will be very splendid in your future to taking of good knowledge in English. I say always keep it up in life and you keep on following that. Which is indicated by me for following. Understand it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice my all viewer. The persons who had liked that video, please one you like, subscribe and share my video. Thanks.